The secret door on a quiet street in Willow Town. 10-year-old Adam lived in a small house with his grandmother. She always told him, curiosity is a gift, but only if used wisely. But Adam had never truly understood what she meant, until one fateful day. One evening, while playing in the attic, Adam noticed something odd. A tiny wooden door hidden behind an old bookshelf. The door was covered in dust, but its handle gleamed as if someone had touched it recently. His heart raced with excitement. Could it be a secret room? He thought. He tried to turn the handle, but it wouldn't budge. Just then, he remembered the rusty old key his grandmother had once given him, saying, "Keep this safe. You'll know when to use it." With trembling hands, he inserted the key into the lock. Click! The door creaked open, revealing a spiral staircase leading downward, not to another room, but to a hidden passage. With his flashlight in hand, Adam cautiously stepped inside. The air smelled of old books and something sweet, like cinnamon. As he walked deeper, he found a table with an open book, its pages glowing faintly. The words on the page rearranged themselves as he read. The one who finds this book must make a choice, use knowledge for good, or be lost in greed. Just then, he saw a golden feather resting beside the book. The moment he touched it, a voice echoed around him, "Wisdom is more powerful than treasure." "What do you seek, Adam?" Adam hesitated. He had always dreamed of finding hidden treasure, but something inside him told him that this was no ordinary test. "I seek knowledge," he whispered. The book's glow intensified, and suddenly, Adam felt a rush of energy through his body. In an instant, he understood things he had never learned before, stories of the past, secrets of science, even how to solve the toughest puzzles. The golden feather turned into a quill, and a new page appeared in the book. "A wise heart earns the greatest fortune." Adam carefully placed the book back, and left the hidden room. The door locked behind him as if it had never existed. When he told his grandmother what had happened, she smiled knowingly. "You made the right choice, my dear. That book appears only to those who are truly ready for it." From that day on, Adam never stopped learning, using his newfound wisdom to help others. And though he never found gold or jewels, he discovered that knowledge was the greatest treasure of all. Moral of the story: curiosity leads to discovery, but true wisdom lies in choosing knowledge over greed.